In 2024, AI tools have continued to evolve and expand across various domains. Here are some of the latest AI tools and technologies that are making an impact. GPT-4 and beyond. OpenAI's GPT-4 and subsequent models have advanced natural language processing capabilities, enabling tasks such as content generation, language translation, and conversational AI with improved accuracy and context understanding. AI-powered chatbots. Chatbot platforms like Dialogflow, IBM Watson, Assistant, and Rasa have integrated advanced AI techniques to create more intelligent and human-like chatbots. These chatbots can handle complex conversations, understand user intents, and provide personalized responses. Computer vision solutions. AI-powered computer vision tools, such as Google Cloud Vision, Amazon Rekognition, and Microsoft Azure Computer Vision, are being used for image and video analysis, object detection, facial recognition, and content moderation. Automated machine learning. Automl platforms like Google Automl, H2O, AI, and DataRobot automate the process of building and optimizing machine learning models. These tools simplify the machine learning workflow, making it more accessible to non-experts. AI in marketing. AI tools for marketing, such as HubSpot's AI-powered marketing automation, Salesforce Einstein AI, and Adobe Sensei, help businesses analyze customer data, personalize marketing campaigns, predict customer behavior, and optimize marketing strategies. AI in healthcare. AI applications in healthcare include medical image analysis for diagnostics, predictive analytics for patient outcomes, AI-powered virtual assistants for healthcare providers, and drug discovery using machine learning algorithms. AI in finance. Financial institutions use AI for fraud detection, risk assessment, algorithmic trading, personalized banking recommendations, and customer service automation. AI in robotics. Robotics companies are integrating AI technologies for autonomous navigation, object recognition, human-robot interaction, and collaborative robotics in industries like manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare. AI in sustainability. AI is being applied to environmental monitoring, energy optimization, climate modeling, and sustainable agriculture to address global sustainability challenges. AI ethics and governance. With the increasing adoption of AI, there is a focus on AI ethics, fairness, transparency, and responsible AI practices. Tools and frameworks for AI ethics and governance are being developed to ensure ethical AI deployment. These are just a few examples of the latest AI tools and applications across different sectors. The AI landscape is dynamic, with continuous innovations and advancements shaping the future of technology and industry.